Welcome to the Rig and Farm YouTube channel. In this video we're going to show you how we make the most delicious pickled eggs. This recipe is for a gallon of pickled eggs, which will be about 2 to 3 dozen depending on the size of your eggs. Now we'll add some flavor. We'll slice 1 jalapeno. Now we're going to crush and peel 6 large cloves of garlic. Next, thinly slice 1/4 of an onion. Once all the veggies are prepared, we add them right on top of the eggs. Store the jar in the fridge while we work on the next step. To make the brine, add 2 cups of granulated sugar to a large pot. We were out of fresh dill, so we added 2 cubes of frozen chopped dill to the pot. Fresh dill would go in the jar with the veggies. Now we're going to measure out 4 cups of distilled white vinegar and add that into the pot. To tame some of the bite from the vinegar, we'll cut it with 2 cups of fresh water. We added 2 tablespoons of fine pink Himalayan salt. Add 3 tablespoons if you're using a coarse kosher salt instead. Lastly, we put in the juice from 2 cans of sliced beets. Straining them right into the pot works well for us. This step is optional, but necessary if you want that pretty pink color. Set your burner to high and stir while you bring it up to a simmer. Heat it just until the sugar and salt have dissolved, then turn off the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Now it's time to add our brine to the jar of eggs. We didn't waste a drop and filled the jar up to the top. Refrigerate your eggs for at least 1 to 2 weeks to fully cure. We tested one after 3 days, and it was not ready at all. After patiently waiting, you'll be treated to an amazing snack. By the way, those onions and jalapenos go great on a burger. They are easy to remove with a slotted spoon, but you can definitely use your hand if you don't mind it smelling like vinegar. Let's cut one in half and look inside. How beautiful does that look? Pickled eggs will easily keep for 3 to 4 months in the brine. Boiling and pickling is a great way to use up a bunch of older eggs that you wouldn't want to use for fried or poached eggs. We really hope you give these a try soon!